of the country. Meanwhile, the one has set up all the Almajiri schools and all the things he's done. After all this, and then he quote, loses the election and hands over to these same people that influenced his losing the election for these reasons, most of which have been found to be untrue. Do you think it is morally right that the APC, now there's a moral question of him trying to come back, but there's also the moral question of APC asking the person, calling the person that they call clueless and all that, to invite him to come and take over from them? What do you think?
To reconcile it. That's the irony of life, and that's more like the adage that says a dog returns to his vomit, and which smacks of lack of integrity. Like the great Martin Luther will say, that in the process of trying to gain our rightful place, let us not drink from the cup of bitterness and hatred, but conduct ourselves in a high plane of dignity and discipline.